Did you know your morning coffee might secretly be draining your strength after 50? What if a few simple natural ingredients could turn it into a drink that keeps your body strong, your mind sharp, and your energy alive, even at 70? Most people never realize that their daily cup, the same one they've been drinking for years, could be holding them back from feeling vibrant. Today, I'm sharing 5 natural additions that can transform your ordinary coffee into a vitality booster for men over 50. These are not exotic or rare herbs from some distant land. They are affordable, accessible, and scientifically supported ingredients that may already be in your kitchen.
Welcome to Winds of Thought, where wisdom meets wellness. If you enjoy feeling energized and confident every day, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to stay ahead of our next discoveries. So, why isn't plain coffee enough anymore? Sure, caffeine wakes you up and lifts your focus for a short while, but after mid-morning, many find themselves chasing another cup. As we age, our blood vessels stiffen, testosterone drops, and metabolism slows. Coffee alone cannot keep up. Think of your body as a classic car. It still runs, but now it needs high-quality fuel, not just regular gasoline. That's where these 5 simple additions come in. Each one enhances your coffee's natural power and restores your body's performance from the inside out. Let's begin with the first, pure cocoa powder.
Cocoa is a powerhouse for blood flow and mood. 1 teaspoon of unsweetened dark cocoa can dramatically increase nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for expanding blood vessels. Studies show regular cocoa intake improves circulation and supports cardiovascular health by up to 30%, all without medication. Cocoa also helps sharpen the mind and lower blood pressure. After 50, nitric oxide levels drop sharply, leading to fatigue and slower recovery. Cocoa restores that natural rhythm. Better blood flow means better energy and better life.
Now, let's spice things up, literally, with ginger. Whether in powder form or freshly sliced, ginger adds warmth and vitality. Research suggests ginger boosts testosterone, reduces inflammation, and promotes circulation. It works like a silent guardian, protecting cells from oxidative stress. If you're sensitive, start small. And remember, always check with your doctor if you're on blood thinners, as ginger slightly affects blood viscosity, but its benefits are astonishing.
Men who use ginger regularly report feeling more alert, more focused, and yes, more alive. Our third ingredient is the mighty maca root, an ancient Andean adaptogen. Known for enhancing libido, stamina, and hormonal balance, maca nourishes your body's natural testosterone production, not by adding hormones, but by guiding your endocrine system to perform at its best. Take 2 grams daily, and within weeks, most users notice renewed drive, sharper focus, and more consistent energy. Maca comes in 3 types: yellow for balance, red for prostate support, and black for strength and endurance. Up next is coconut oil. You might think it's odd to mix oil into coffee, but here's the science. The medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil offer quick, stable energy while supporting hormone synthesis. Blend 1 teaspoon into your drink, and you'll get sustained focus without the crash. Studies have found that these natural fats can raise testosterone by 20%, maintain steady energy, and support brain clarity. Fuel your body the way nature intended: clean, stable, and strong. Finally, let's add a finishing touch: cinnamon. A 1/4 teaspoon daily can regulate blood sugar, enhance circulation, and protect the smallest vessels in your body, including those vital for performance. Cinnamon mimics some effects of popular medications by relaxing vessels and improving nitric oxide production. It also stabilizes mood and prevents the midday crash. Choose Ceylon cinnamon for safety and purity.
Its natural sweetness gives your coffee a rich aroma reminiscent of traditional Eastern blends. So, here's your formula for lasting vitality: cocoa, ginger, maca, coconut oil, and cinnamon. Mix, sip, and feel the change. If this inspired you, like this video and let us know in the comments what you add to your morning coffee. Join the Winds of Thought family, where every cup leads to a stronger, wiser you.